So now I'm gonna make some potato skins. Yeah, I'm gonna cook these on the pellet smoker like I do pretty much everything. So scrub the potatoes, get them nice and clean, pat them dry. Take a knife, cut them right in half. This is one of my favorite things to cook actually. I'm gonna be making this with a whole chicken on the grill. After you cut them in half, you just take your spoon. Don't spoon it out on the floor like I just did. So you just want to hollow out the insides like this. So what I like to do is after I hollow these out, I throw them on the smoker before I put cheese or anything in them. Let them cook for a little while like that. Let the potato soften up a little bit. Make a nice little boat out of them to hold all the cheese in them. So tonight I only have, well, I got mozzarella and I think I have a package of another cheese. I usually like some sharp cheddar on mine, but tonight we're just going to use what we have because of this coronavirus. It's a little harder to get into the store and buying everything I need every day, so been trying not to go quite so much anyways. So I'm trying to get my supplies and you know, that'll last a couple weeks and try to use up what I got. So after I'm done cutting them, the insides of them nice and hollow, I just flip them over. I'm gonna spray them with some oil. Spray them with some olive oil. Now you can obviously brush on olive oil if you don't have a spray. I just like the sprays because they're quick and convenient. Then I add a little salt to them. Salt the back sides real good, and then I'll throw them on the pellet smoker for a while. So now we're gonna fill these up with some cheese. I'm using the mozzarella right now. Usually I like a sharp cheddar or mix them up, but you can use whatever you have pretty much. So I like to add some cheese to them. Then I like bacon on mine. Sometimes I'll cook bacon or I just buy these pre-cooked packaged stuff. Not everybody likes this on there, so I'll just put them on a couple of them. So now I'll bring them back out and finish them off on the smoker for a little bit. So after cooking these for probably a half hour, the potatoes, I just cook them where they're still a little bit firm, but I'd say they're about 3/4 done cooking. So I fill them up with the cheese, put the bacon on them, whatever you want. You can use whatever you want for cheese also, obviously. So I'll put them back on and cook them until I think the cheese looks good anyways. Everybody likes theirs different, but I like the cheese cooked a decent amount. So we'll let these sit for a while. I'm guessing probably another 15 minutes or so, and we'll check on them and see how they came out. So I just took the potato skins off. They just finished cooking. So I think it took about an hour overall from start to finish. Like I said in the beginning, I cook them about halfway. And then after they're cooked about halfway, I add the cheese and the bacon on top afterwards. And then finish letting them cook the rest of the half of the ways. So I like to cook it just until the cheese starts to brown a little bit on top. And that's how they came out. These look great. I can't wait to have them. This is going to be good. Thank you guys for watching.